This bird can fly for months without landing. High above the ocean, one bird spends almost its entire life in the air. The albatross rides powerful wind currents, barely needing to flap its wings. Some travel thousands of kilometers across the planet in a single journey. They can even sleep while flying over the open sea. With wings stretching over 11 feet wide, it has one of the largest wingspans on Earth. The endless ocean is its highway, and the sky is its home. Follow for more nature's amazing facts.